sa Vancouver sa ano dyan. Ayan. Masarap siguro. Okay.
Lots of mangoes. Order na sa card.
Ayun, nakakuha tayo. Beef! Yo! Beef! Oh, mga lord, ito na ang ating inaantay. Ang ating beef. Kulang pa yata. Hello mga lords, magandang hapon. Dito tayo ngayon sa Sheridan College, dito sa may Oakville, Ontario. So nakita ko sa ads itong bagong festival, itong Asian Night Market dito sa Oakville. So pupuntahan natin, titingnan natin kung organized ba itong ating bagong festival na ito. Mukha naman kasi marami ako nakikitang pumupunta. So samahan niyo ako at ating alamin itong ating bagong festival na pupuntahan. Okay. Ito, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sheridan College, Trafalgar location dito sa may Oakville. Ayan, oh. Mukhang marami na naririto. Alas 5 lang ng hapon. So 3 araw sila mapupunta dito. Itong ating bagong festival na pupuntahan, ang Oakville Night Market. Ayan, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, ito sila. Mukhang maraming karaokeano dito. Ayan, nagdadati na. Ito kasi nga Oakville, ito yung lugar na sumisikat dito ngayon sa Ontario. Ang Oakville ay isa sa mga magaganda mga bahay dito. Ayan, mukhang doon tayo magsisimula sa hindi tayo masisikatan ng araw kasi mangingitim tayo. Dito muna tayo sa kaliwa at sa kanan. Ayan, oh. Admission is free dito sa palarong pambansa sa mga bata. Ayan, mukhang marami ng tao. Ayan, so puntahan muna natin doon sa kaliwa. So tulungan natin itong Asian Night Market kahit hapon pa, para tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang festival every year. Ayan. Naku, yun ang ayaw ko. May natin ko. Ayan, masarap itong kulay ito na yan. Masarap pa ito. Ayun, baka tayo mapasok dyan. Huwag tayo move. Tumatalamsik yung ano eh. Ayan, oh. Octopus. Ayan, ang octopus. Sana. Ito naman ang Tokyo Fire Grill. Ayan, masarap to. May sinangag pa. Mamaya tayo bibili niyan, mga barbecue. Atin muna titingnan yung mga marami na nga tao, oh. Ito, sinangag. Wow, ano natin yun, magkano ba yung sinangag? $10. May skewer pa. Tapos yung steak $15. Asian ito ah. Kasi marami silang Asian na parokyano. Ayan o. Ano kayang niluluto dito? Tingnan natin. Wala pa. Ito tayo din sa kabila, ikot. Ito naman, tubo. Sugar cane. Pusit. Ito, si Aling Pusit. Ayan ang tutubo oh. Ano kaya naman ito? Parang sweet. Ito, siguradong Pilipino to. Yan, ang Filipino street food yan oh. Ayan. Sarap yan. Mamaya bibili tayo yan. Kasi ano muna tayo. Siyempre ayun oh, dami nagluluto sa ito. Si Kuya oh. Ayan ang Filipino street food. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Pagod na si Kuya sa pagluluto. Ito naman parang may poso. Wow. Ano naman kaya ito? Fresh squeeze lemonade pa dati. Ito naman ang happy twist. Mga potatoes. At doon naman ang kainan ng mga wow, ito naman Vietnamese tingnan natin itong niluluto ng ating kaibigan. Wow, Vietnamese tacos. Very nice.
Thank you.
Wow, this is a Vietnamese product. Must be good to try, lots of line up. Okay, let's do that. We'll taste it later. Ayan o, dami dito. Kaya ako nung may stage pa pala doon. Tingnan natin kung niluluto nito. Squid number 1. Wow, squid. Tingnan natin dito. May squid. Wala naman pa rin niluluto ko. Mamaya yan, mamaya. Sorry, daming pila oh. Dito pala maraming pila oh. Wow. I think this is the same sa Vancouver. In Vancouver, they have the same thing. Nagpunta ako sa Vancouver, Canada. Ayan. Masarap siguro. Lamb and beef. Galing ng pausok niya oh. Tanggal ang usok. Diretso-doso oh. Ayan, wow. Itong okay. Smoothie naman to mamaya. Fruit and smoothie. Taiko. Okay. Ito tayo dun sa kabila. Another sweet. Pinisa. That's good. Okay, punta tayo dito sa kabila. Parang pare-pareho lang ang luto nila. Dito naman tayo sa parang masarap yung timpla ng eto, snowflake. Wow, ito ba yan? Let's check out. Oh, saan niya ginagawa ito? Ayun,
Thank you.
sarap ng ginagawa ng ate. Yogurt fruit mix. I think I'm gonna buy that later. Wow.
Blueberry.
Ito pa yung ano eh. Ano ba?
Lots of mangoes. Yung order na sa card. Number 9.3.
Inuusok-usok.
Strawberry cake. Strawberry cake with pineapple. You add lychee. Blueberry.
Ayan ang masarap. Yogurt fruit mix. Oh,
Sorry.
ikaw ang pipili kung anong gusto mo. Ako talagyan ng matamis. Wow.
Can you add water? Come on.
Hintayin natin kung paano niya lalagyan ng yogurt.
Can add more.
Talagang Asian nga ito eh. Asian night market. Very nice. Inuusok pa yung ano eh.
Vanilla and strawberry.
Tingnan natin kung paano lalagyan ng yun. Ang pala yung pang final, pang pinalo. Yun. Ganito lang mga vlogger natin.
Any topping?
Only this one.
Okay.
Wow. Pili-pili ka lang.
You make it plenty.
Yeah, just that one.
Ayun.
Can you add more?
And more?
Because I'm not getting the other.
This one, ito naman. Okay na yun. Dito naman tayo. Sa Hong Kong Bubble Waffle. Ay, dito kita. Masyado maraming tao.
This one is stay the same.
Ito, bao. Bao, bao. Bao. Ito, parang bao yata yun. Ito ko yung nakikita kong ginagawa. Eh. Wala. Hindi natin nakikita. Ito, paano naman kaya nila? Bakit? Ito yung niluluto sa loob ng lungga. Yun. May cook it inside. Ayan. Hindi natin loob. Kainit niya. Ayun pala. Niluluto sa loob ng lungga. Ito naman. Init ah. Oh, maraming tao. Ito, tingnan natin ito. Para medyo kalong. Yun. Asian night market. This is like the one in Vancouver. Number 1 there. Ah, yun, si Psycho. Tingnan natin si Psycho. Check out the Psycho. Yan. Parang dulong yan ah. Ayun ang ginagawa niya ate oh. Psycho taco, ayan. Parang oh, ito na yan. Parang meron na ano tawag na po. Tingnan natin kung paano niya gagawin yun. Para yung sa atin na yung ano, yung Maria. Maria.
Pwede mo ID ko ka.
Ayun, tapos mabubuo na yan. Hintayin natin kung paano ba ubuuin mo. Pagkatarin mo ito? Okay, tingnan natin. Ayun, papalitan mo. Ayun, hindi ka. Hindi ka. Ayun. May bacon pa yan, may bacon. Ayun, papalitan mo yan. Hintayin natin ito balikan. Yan. Nanti kita balik lagi. Belum yang lupa. Kanina pa yan. Baliktad mo yun. Ito naman, ang haba ng pilahan. Kanina pa ako $15 yung 2 peraso. Malata eh. Parang gusto ko yun eh. Makabili kaya. Kaya lang haba ng pila eh. Ayun eh. Pila tayo, baka makakaabot. Bumili tayo ng 2 beef, parang nagustuhan ko yun eh. $15 daw yung 2. So, kung cash walang tax, pero kapag may ginamit mo yung credit card, may tax. Ayun. Hintay na lang natin dumating dito. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal.
Hello, Oakville. Can everyone hear me? Give me a big wave if you hear me right now. Awesome. Okay, I love how happy you guys all are, making my day great. My name is Cameron. I'm going to be one of your MCs here on stage, along with our organizer, Kaylin. And I'm just here to let you guys know that we're going to have our official opening ceremony starting in just a few minutes at 7 o'clock. That's just over 10 minutes from now. I'm so excited. We're going to have a few VIPs on stage to open up our show. And if you see right next to me, we have a lion. If you guys have never seen it, you're going to be seeing a lion dance, which is a big sign of good luck. It's super fun to see. So if you're here already, make sure you guys stick around for 7 o'clock, okay? You have a few minutes, so go grab a bite if you haven't already, and come back here for our opening show. I can't wait to see you.
Oakville, Asian Night Market. Ennisville. Only 6 o'clock.
National anthem. Hurry, please.
Everyone, please stand for the national anthem of Canada. Thank you.
Patriot, we know that My name is Kaylin. I am one of the organizers for the event. So let Cameron introduce our other VIPs.
Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna have our organizers of the Oakville Night Market on stage with us today.
Very good, very good.
Kaylin next to me, one of the leading ladies making this all happen. Along with her, we have Ricky and Steven, if you don't mind standing up.
Steven is here.
Steven's here. And these are the people who are making the
One more round.
Where you want to go?
It's our pleasure to introduce the All Masters Martial Arts Center to do the Ionic and Lion Dance for us here on stage today. If you guys have never seen a lion dance, it's really important part of Chinese culture and heritage. And traditionally, it's the true center of heaven, and it's a great sign of good luck and prosperity. And really here today, it's here to make our festival a great success. So right now, our VIPs are going to help us wake the lion up and really make sure that our event gets off to an amazing start.
Yeah, see one.
So my drop beat is kind of wake up the line. Okay, with the eye dotting, right, Cameron? This is a traditional Chinese way for the opening ceremony. Normally we have this for the events, festival, sometimes for business open, restaurant open, market open.
And I think we've had a lion in quite a few shows. They've all been successful, so it must be working.
I know. I'm saying shoot.
Okay. Oh, next one. Don't step on the lion, he will bite you.
And I'm hearing in just a few minutes the lion's actually going to be off the stage in front of you guys. So bringing everyone here, good luck. So make sure you guys stick around and watch the dance. If it comes to the front, you can even...
Okay, you want to do it? Okay, we are good. Let's have a group picture with the lion. Okay, yeah. 你要不
Asian Night Market in Oakville.